Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Medina Azara binti Ahmad Abdillah. I'm 7. I'm from SK Memos 1, MBB 1031. Today I will share with you a story entitled Sleeping Beauty. I love to read this book because it has beautiful illustrations and the language used is easy to understand. Well, let me share with you the story. Are you ready? A long time ago, a king and queen gave birth to a beautiful little baby princess. All the fairies came to bless her, but one evil witch cursed the baby to die on her sixth birthday. One of the fairies was able to save the princess by blessing her, such that she would not die but only fall asleep till she is woken up by a kiss of true love. When the princess turned 16, she was tricked into touching the needle of a spindle, where she pricked her finger and immediately fell into deep slumber. The entire kingdom was very sad and depressed, so the fairies once again came to rescue, and they waved their wand and made the entire town go off to sleep. As time passed by, a handsome prince came to explore the kingdom. He noticed the castle that seemed strange. However, the castle was being guarded by the witch. The witch took the, the form of a huge dragon to stop the prince, but the prince bravely fought her and emerged victorious. He then entered the castle and saw Sleeping Beauty lying there in a deep sleep. He fell in love at first sight. He went up to give her a gentle kiss. As soon as he kissed her, the princess opened her eyes. The entire kingdom celebrated in joy. The prince and princess got married and lived happily ever after. So, dear friends, true love can overcome even the strongest curses. It's important to be kind to everyone, as good always win over evil. That's all from me. Thank you.